Here on this Daily Trezor coming to you live from Asia, guys. We're going to jump into a ton of cool content. I'm so freaking happy, guys. And we're seeing the whole Gary Gensler big, I almost said a bad word out there on YouTube land. The Gary Gensler W patent out there. We're going to explain what that means to you and me. And we're seeing that cryptos have done a nice rebound despite all of the FUD that was spread by who, our friend, the Trolley Troll, the infamous, the nymphomous, the crazy, wacky guy that's got to get out of town. We're going to be talking about that. And what did Elon Musk say about Dogecoin, guys? A lot of people missed it, but it is freaking awesome too. So we're going to be talking about that. Bitcoin prices, Bitcoin, bottoms, Bitcoin highs, Bitcoin lows, what we're going to be seeing for most of crypto market, guys. And is regulation coming? Are we in trouble? Let's talk about it. Let's jump into it. Remember, none of this is financial advice, just OG Nows expressing my opinion. Good to be back in the driver's seat. Sorry that I missed a whole bunch of videos. Kind of got depressed, a lot of stuff going on at work, at the hotel. So I apologize to the community, but I'm back like crazy now, and hopefully I got more pep in my step. Sometimes you burn out, right? Just that burn out. That's it. But I'm back on fire now. I'm back on fire. The wick has been restarted, and we're going to freaking move. Don't get smashed. Dogecoin 111 out there. I got my coffee. Hopefully you got your coffee. Buckle up. Great video that's about to happen, guys. Drop a like if you would. And tell YouTube, the algorithm, that you're here. You're a human. You're alive. You're breathing. Out there. So, what are we seeing for the broader markets? Well, the broader markets were mixed. We did see Dow Jones almost flat out there. We did see S&P was slightly up, and the NASDAQ was also slightly up. So nothing too big to write home about. Big news is we did see that the former CFTC chairman says crypto needs investor protections and a whole new industry trading framework. Yeah, I mean, this Timothy Mossad guy, and it's kind of funny. This kind of looks like a creepy Gary Gensler out there. He was talking to Inverse Kramer, of course. Never listen to whatever Kramer's got to say. Do the freaking opposite. And basically he's saying that, look, we need some kind of framework. This is Mossad guy, okay? He was saying that, look, we need some kind of framework to protect investors, prevent fraud, manipulation, and that kind of stuff. I agree. I absolutely agree. My opinion is we do need some kind of regulation. However, we don't want to have overly regulated at the expense of innovation, okay? You've got to find a balance. And remember that most people are investing in crypto. I guess if you're a crypto investor, you're crypting, right? Okay, you're a crypto. Most of them are over 18, 19, and you guys got to do your own diligence. There are fraudsters out there. There are whammer bammers out there. I mean, there's even impersonators impersonating the OG. What do you got to say about that? But overall, crypto regulation is good. We don't want to over-regulate it because we don't want to kill innovation. And keep in mind that if we have a good framework of crypto regulation, it means that big institutions, can actually start to ape in. And if we have more money flowing and the market cap goes up, you know what that means for prices? Going up, baby. So, interesting. Fear and greed. Yesterday, when we had the Gary Gensler FUD, I hate the world, crying in my soup scenario when he was going after Binance. The latest update on that is also that looks like all of Binance U.S. assets have been frozen. Oops, out there. But remember, U.S. Binance is a very small fraction of its total market cap. So it's not a big deal. Even if they get out of U.S., it's not a big deal. They got out of Canada. They're still get out of Canada. The Canucks. They're still alive. They're still kicking. But fear and greed is good. It's still a neutral. If you take a look at it, heat map, you can see this is a fantastic green color, almost 6%. So, most of the losses that we had yesterday have bounced back. And if you go back and watch my previous video, I did tell you, don't believe me, go back and watch that, this kind of thing, it's just short-lived. I remember a lot of the market makers, what they did is they liquidated a lot of longs. They had 100 wicks to the downside. That's another reason why we saw so much wreckage out there. It's typical, guys. That's why if you leverage trade, you're a schmuck. You're an idiot. Don't do it. You will get wrecked 99% of the time. So as you can see here, total market cap right now is about 1.13 trillion. Pow. and that's up almost 4%. So most of the losses from yesterday have been recovered. Nice. It's nice out there. So we're seeing that Ethereum is dominant, 20%. Bitcoin dominance is climbing as well. And as we see, when we see Bitcoin dominance climbing, often we're going to start to see some price reversals to the upside, not to the downside, the upside. Top trending coins right now in terms of what people are searching for is Pepe. People still talking about Pepe. We're going to talk about Pepe as well. BNB, Bitcoin, my Bitcoin. Some people call it Bitcoin. My wife calls it the Bitcoin. I don't know what's going on with that. Maybe she's talking about herself. Hope she ain't watching this video. Hope she ain't watching that video. OG going to be in the doghouse. Whoops, I let it slip out there. So we are seeing that right now Bitcoin is up 6%. I like it. Nice. Reversal. A complete reversal out there. Ethereum is up 4.31%. Nice. We're seeing BNB is up as well because BNB got slaughtered yesterday on this whole Gary going after Binance. XRP is up as well. Overall, we're seeing good things. We're seeing that Doge right now is up almost 5%. It's about 7. It's about 7 cents. So it depends on what exchange. If you're looking at Robinhood, you're looking at Binance or whatever, or different. But the average is about 7 cents. Okay, it's about 7 cents. So that's what that's all about. So it's good. We're also going to talk about what did Elon Musk say about Dogecoin. Dogecoin 101. Talk about that as well. I think it's impactful, but a lot of people missed it. I don't know what's going on with SHIB. SHIB is just like, it's just like it's something like Pepe, just out there. So, like I said, when it comes to meme coins, we're seeing that Doge is the top dog out there. So, big freaking event that's going to happen on June 13th is the core CPI. That is coming, guys. So get ready, buckle up for that one. I think the data is going to be okay. I think it's going to be okay. We've also got about 1 week before we have the FOMC meeting. We're going to find out if we're going to get some rate hikes. 81% right here. 81% saying no rate hikes out there. That's what I'm thinking, guys. Hey, here's the Gary WTF pen. No one cares. No one cares what Gary thinks. You can see how resilient the communities are, how resilient Doge is, how resilient Bitcoin is. We bounce back. So, Gary, all I got to say is, okay? And this is when the FUD hit, okay? And remember, you look at that. Hunter Wick. That is a Hunter Wick. That is market makers. And what they do is they have this downside Hunter Wick, a probing wick, and they do that to eliminate as many of the long positions. And they did. They wiped out a ton of longs. They wiped out a ton, okay? And you can see that right here. Look, that was yesterday. Wow. $292 million worth of longs got wiped out. Pow, you're out of there. Idiots. If you take a look at the leverage right now, it's about 100 million. Not too bad out there. What are the apes? What are the apes betting on? I mean, literally betting on right now. They're betting on Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Pepe. Doge is minimal, but the Peppies, the Pepsters are the Pepe lovers. The Pepe lovers are leverage trading Pepe. Don't do it. You're gonna get wrecked out. So this is Bitcoin on the 30-minute. This is the Gary effect out there. Look. Once again, here is you see, huge sell volume, big spike down to 25.56. This is manipulation, complete market makers, basically dumping some Bitcoin on the order books on the spot exchange to drive the price down. Okay, that's what exchanges do, particularly exchanges that have leverage because they want to wipe out as much longs, take your liquidity. That's what they did. That is what they did, guys. If they do it time and time again, I've been telling you for 2 years about it, but nobody listens, but it happens, okay? So, we're still looking good. Look, it's a complete reversal. Not only is it a reversal, we are back. We are basically back and slightly above where we were pre-Gary dumpage out there. So, good news. Binance-wise, even after the FUD, the FUD. We're still seeing that Binance is about 54, let's call it 55 billion out there. But we are seeing that, Binance has liquidated a lot of its digital assets and is holding about 31% worth of cash. So Could that mean there's going to be, a bottom coming in? Could we go back down to 25,000? We could. I remember I did tell you in yesterday's video, buy the freaking dips. I hope you bought the dips, because if you bought the dip, you'd be up like 6% today if you bought Bitcoin yesterday. I told you that. I told you that. If you listen, you made some money. If you didn't listen, well, you did you. Okay? You did you. Remember, none of this financial advice. Have you smashed the likes yet, peeps? Have you done this? Smash the likes. Let's just recap. Let's recap the shit show for crypto that we had so far. That's over last year, okay? Not this year. This year's been pretty good. We're seeing that crypto's up over like 70%. So, we had the collapse of FTX, which was larger fraud than Enron. Remember Enron? We had 2 trillion was erased in the bear market, over 300 class action suits since 2022. We've had regional banks collapse. Binance and Coinbase now sued by Gary. Thank you, Gary. We love you. Yet the total market cap is still 1.2 trillion. And it just goes to prove, even though we have all this garbage going on, it just goes to show how freaking resilient the crypto markets are. So don't sleep on it, and look, it looks like Bitcoin is already back to the levels where it broke down before the Binance lawsuit. I told you that, right? And I said it doesn't look like it's anywhere close to slowing down either. And, if you look at this pattern, that thing, the dump we had yesterday was pure FUD, manipulation, market makers, and we bounced back. So 30,000 coming in for Bitcoin. Yeah, CPI data is good. And guys, let this sink in. Every time we have the halving, we have a parabolic rise, guys. So we're about to get into this whole parabola here. Guys, get ready. Buckle up. Don't sleep. And, one of the reasons that you need to hold Bitcoin and other cryptos, particularly, diversification, crypto. I'm holding 50% in Bitcoin, 25% Ethereum, and 25% in top caps, is because of this. Because the total debt ceiling is out of control. And it's not going to be reversing. It's only going to be getting worse. And they're going to be spinning up the printing press. And, your dollar ain't going to be able to buy nothing. You're going to discuss your $10 for a can of Coca-Cola soon, guys. Mark my words. Get ready. Buckle up. Bitcoin is coming after it all. Bitcoin is going to be worth more than anything. It's going to be worth more than base money. Bitcoin is coming, guys. Dogecoin is coming. Possible worst case scenarios. Well, we can see that Bitcoin has been trending in this downward channel for some time. For at least the last couple of weeks. And, it's possible that we could push to back down to 25K. It's possible. But if we do go back down and hit that bottom, we will bounce. We'll bounce back up, guys. We'll bounce hard. Like I said, Bitcoin did hit 25K. I mean, amongst the the Binance FUD. But don't let fear shake you out of the game, boys. Do not let fear and panic and emotion shake you out of your stats, guys. That's what the market makers want. That's what they want to do. They want you to drop your Bitcoin cheap so they can gobble it up. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Guys, bouncing back, baby. Nice. Last time the 200-day moving average and the EMA 200 bullishly crossed, the crypto markets rose more than 20x in 427 days. So we're seeing something exactly the same that we saw in 2020, guys. Buckle up, guys. It's there. DXY kind of just flat, going sideways. Ethereum, nice bounce back to the upside. Can we get ourselves back up to 2,000? Possible. Absolutely possible, guys. It's coming. What happened with Doge? Well, Elon Musk replied, Doge, FTW. Now, a lot of people are like, what the heck is FTW? Well, it's Dogecoin for the win, boys. So it looks like, this is proof positive that Elon Musk still loves the Doge, still supporting the Doge. So, we didn't see much of a spike on the Doge. We're going to talk about the Dogecoin technical prices in a second. But, guys, this is good evidence that Elon Musk is still behind us. Did you know that it's a great time to be buy Dogecoin, buy the freaking dip, guys? I posted this yesterday, and it was a good time to buy the freaking dip, guys. Hopefully, you guys did dippity dip. I double dipped. What is Dogecoin? Well, it's community. It's love. Currency of the world. Cheapest way to transact out there, guys. That's what Doge is. It's about love, guys. It's about you. It's about me. Get it? It's not. Dogecoin is not just like a currency, right? It's not just a crypto. Dogecoin, right? We're back up. We're up 5%. So if you bought the dip yesterday, like I said, you'd be up 5%. Bang, boom, ha. We're at 7 cents right now. We're seeing that the market cap is at 9.7 billion. That's what a B ain't starting for fact out there. We're seeing volumes a little bit whitey. out there. Let's take a look at the chart out there. Let's take a look at the chart. What's going on? So we did see, we just been kind of range bound. We did have this whole FUD Hunter Wick here. Thank you, market makers. A lot of longs that liquidated, a lot of Doge longs that liquidated as well. We bounced back up again. A little bit of a wick to the upside. That was went as high as 0.722. That was because of the Elon Musk effect. We kind of settled down now, and we're just kind of like at 7 cents. So it's okay. Who's in the money? Who is in the money for the Dogecoin? For the Dogecoin, let's see what's going on out there. Looks like they've changed some of the metrics here. That let me give this a minute to refresh out there into the block out there. Into the block. So we're seeing that right now the price correlation with Bitcoin 0.75. We are seeing that who's in the money? Well, we're seeing about 48% of all Dogecoin holders are in the money. So that's pretty cool beans, guys. That is good news out there. We're seeing Doge in terms of social sentiments on the daily. It's up everywhere. Mentions, engagement, dominance, contributions. Nice. We're seeing that on the weekly as well. Not as good as the daily, but things are picking up. That has to do with because we had the Elon Musk pump effect out there. Dogecoin is still number 6 out there. Pepe is number 4. What's going with the Pepster right now? Pepe. Pepe is it did try to break out of this falling wedge to the upside, so that is pretty good. Hopefully it will continue on. I love it. In terms of what's going on with Pepe, let me give this a minty refresh. Pepe's up about 16.51%. So if you bought some Pepe when I told you about it, did yesterday, bang, you'd be up. Volumes are up. Market cap is still below 500 million out there, guys. What is going on with the Shiba Weeby right now? Shiba Weeby. Let's give this a minty refresh. So Shiba is up 1.96%. It still can't get itself above the 9,000 level. It's sad. It looks like a lot of the SHIB army, a lot of them move over to Pepe, guys. That's what that's all about. I don't know out there. So let's see who's in the money, who's out of the money for Shiba Inu token out there. So we're still seeing that only 11% of the Shiba Weeby holders are in the money. So that's not good out there, guys. So that's going to bring this video to a close, guys. Don't forget to go and follow me. Don't forget to get the merch, guys. And don't forget to smash the likes and share. Peace out. Much love. I love you all. Take it easy. Be well. Be blessed. Have a good one.